Happy Christmas, Jerky. Now, when you get them frozen, or nearly frozen, see it's still soft in the middle, the darker is pretty stiff. It just helps keep your slicer clean. Now, this is what we sliced up, and of course you can tell it has now completely thawed out because it's no longer having that dark, rich color to it. So what I have done is I'll show you a side view here in a minute, but I just tried to get it to weep off as much of the fluid as possible before we replace the fluid with marinade. And so it's just since determining I have a reaction as time goes on to the deer meat. I've learned that I just kind of need to drain as much of that off as humanly possible. If you freeze it, it keeps it from getting all over your slicer and makes cleanup a lot easier. But what it does is it kind of holds a lot of that fluid in there. And of course, from the original photographs, you can easily see how much myoglobin is released from the thawed meat. Okay, now we're going to make up this deer jerky. In the back you see some sliced up meat ready to go. That is 2 back straps and a roast. Makes 6 pounds, a little 6 pounds and maybe an ounce more. And then of course our ingredients are going to be Worcestershire sauce and hot sauce at equal parts. Should be 12 ounces of each. I might have to throw a little more Worcestershire sauce in that. And the 2 ingredients you see down below are smoked paprika and tender quick in a ratio of a tablespoon each. To mix them, we'll pre-mix them in the little blender, and then we'll put them in our pan and then drop our deer jerky in there. Our deer jerky will be in there a little slice at a time. Now, this is the result, the myoglobin that drained off of the deer meat in 2 days. And now recently I have developed some kind of reaction that has intensified through the years. Probably have eaten too many deer. So we're going to make this jerky brine, get them soaking in there or marinade, whatever you want to call it, and go. Okay, now I have probably, I don't know, what's that, about a pound, 3 pounds maybe left. There's the first batch. Soaking. Now you got to leave it a little bit of room in there, a little fluff for the, what do you want to call that? The fluid or the marinade to work. And we're getting ready to make the second batch. That's of course paprika floating on top. Salt went down. The tender quick went down to the bottom. Same ratio. This is going to make another mess on the top, and we'll pour it in here and do the other half. Well, let's see what it looks like. Looks like we have Happy Christmas Jerky.